Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Nomadik quarterly subscription box. This is for the fall 22. That's next. Welcome to Backcountry Renegade. I'm Jeff. This channel is all about hiking, backpacking, the outdoors, and all the gear in between. If you're into those things too, consider subscribing. Today we are unboxing the Nomadik quarterly subscription box. This is the fall 22 box for Nomadik. Now, if you have not heard of Nomadik, they are a premium outdoor retailer that helps you find the latest gear from the best brands while also saving you money. They have a ton of different boxes that are themed and curated around different interests and also seasons. You can buy it via a monthly subscription or a quarterly subscription or just a one-time purchase. Because of the different partnerships that Nomadik has with some of the top brands out there, they're able to get bulk discount and then pass on the savings to you in their subscription plan boxes. Now, they also have two different size boxes. This one here is the quarterly box. It's one of their bigger options out there. It costs $150 per quarter and you're guaranteed to get at least $200 worth of gear per box. They also have a monthly subscription box option you can get that starts at $35 a month, and the longer terms you commit to, the greater the savings. If you commit to the year for the smaller box options, it averages around $30 a month. And in each box under the monthly plan, you get at least $50 worth of gear. So if you love trying the latest and greatest gear from some of the top brands out there, but you also want to save at the same time, these subscription plans are worth considering and trying out. And you can do so under the best option that fits your budget. This is a fall 22 quarterly subscription box and the theme is Camp Cookout. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all is inside. All right, so opening it up, looks like we got some pretty good gear here. Got a solo stove, looks like a pot here, portable shower. They also have a little brochure. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these up and we'll go ahead and look at these in a bit more detail. All right, so we have everything set out here, and as you can see, a wide variety of gear in this quarterly box and some pretty cool gear at that as well. And so Nomadik also gives you this little brochure here, and in this you have the themed version of Camp Cookout, and it has a little paragraph and explanation of every single piece of this gear. So following the order that Nomadik gives on their little brochure, let's go ahead and look at each item in detail. All right, so first and foremost, we're looking at the solo stove. This is the Solo Stove Titan here, and this is a pretty cool, efficient stove as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and just look at it in a little bit more detail here. And as you can see, it comes in some nice packaging here. You have the Solo Stove brochures, a little how-to use guide, also a nice Solo Stove sticker. And then you have your stove inside this little bag here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and set the box aside, and we'll go ahead and look at Solo Stove. Now, you might be familiar with Solo Stove because I have a couple videos on my channel where I do review some of their fire pits. They're mainly known for their fire pits these days, but they got their original start from these campfire stoves. So this stove is pretty cool. As you can see, you have the stove inside, you have the top stand as well, and you can probably put a pot on top of here, and then right here you can put in the extra fuel, those sticks and twigs and everything in there to keep your fire going. So as you can see, the holes here provide really good ventilation and airflow for the fire. Nomadik says that this is your new helpful companion for your next campsite cookout, weighing at just over a pound. This camping stove is ready to travel warm and will inspire you. The signature 360-degree airflow design creates a super efficient burn using sticks and twigs, so you can have hot food in minutes anywhere your adventure takes you. They also feature 3 different sizes Solo Stove does on their camp stoves. They feature the light, the Titan here is the medium one, and then they have what they call a campfire, which is a lot bigger as well. I think the Titan is really the perfect size when you consider these because you have the right amount of space here necessary to maintain that fire, so you're not constantly having to add sticks and twigs to it all the time. You can let it burn by putting a sufficient amount in there, and you have to feed it a lot less than you would, say, the smaller version. As I said, it weighs just a little over a pound, so a bit on the heavy side, but if you're doing car camping or just day hikes or overnight backpacking trip, you can definitely pack this in. The nice thing about this stove is you don't have to use those fuel canisters. You can just use the sticks and twigs around you for fuel, and you can also have the option of using this as an alcohol burning stove. Solo Stove says that this stove is best for 2 to 4 people, and you can have boiling water in around 4 to 6 minutes. Checking out the next product is the Uberleben Kessel 2.0 stainless steel pot. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Inside right away, we can see it comes with a nice canvas bag to protect the pot. That has a zipper as well. So we'll go ahead and open that up, and you have your lid, you have a handle, and then you also have your pot. So we'll go ahead and take off that plastic here and get it set up. All right, so got the pot here as well. And as you can see, nice stainless steel, really well polished and everything. Should make it pretty easy to clean. To put on the handle, you just go ahead and take this little part off here. And then the handle is actually kind of like a kettle. This is really popular in the bushcraft world. And basically you would hang your handle like this and then go ahead and screw it back in like so. And so now it creates this kind of kettle-like motion here that you can have, but you can also hang it. Let's say if you're at a campfire or something, you can hang it as well. Nomadik says that this is the perfect travel pot featuring an easy to pour and clean spout. The stainless steel polished exterior is an easy cleaning of soot and debris. This pot is a must-have for cooking on the go. The lid features steam venting, holes, and locks in place to prevent rattling while you're on the move. It also has a lockdown handle and collapses for proper storage. It has a capacity of 1.1 liters. It's made of HD 304 grade stainless steel as well. The storage bag is also no slouch either. It's made of high quality wax duck canvas and also features YKK zipper and a pretty nice grab handle. Altogether, this system weighs 11 ounces. This will match up pretty perfect for the Solo Stove Titan, as you'll be able to fit right on there as the Titan is burning as well. Looking at the next product here is the Frog 5-gallon solar shower bag. So we'll go ahead and open this up and take a look at it here in a little bit more detail. And it features the black color, and the reason for that is so you can leave it out in the sun and it'll go ahead and heat up the water. So pretty neat. And as you can see, it's a 5-gallon bag and has a lot of room for multiple shower uses as well. You also get your little spout here. It's plastic, and then it has a nice little shower head here where the water can come out. You actually hang this up, and it's more of a gravity feed. So as you open up the little nozzle here on the bottom of the bag, you can control water going or closing it, so you can conserve water as well. Nomadik says that now you can enjoy a warm shower while camping with no power needed. All you need is to lay the bag flat with the black side up on a sunny day, and in 3 to 5 hours you'll have a hot shower ready. Hang it from a tree and let gravity do the work. The on-off valve helps conserve water. It has a capacity to provide for 3 to 4 showers. This also really makes a pretty nice overlanding tool as well. You can use it to do dishes, you can use it to shower, rinse off your feet after you're coming from the beach or something like that. And the bag empty, it folds in, is nice compact as well, and together it all weighs about 12 ounces. The bag is made of a 6P PVC material, so it's going to be strong, durable, and trustworthy. It's not going to leak very easily as well. All right, looking at the next item is the UNCO Wear Utility Spork 2-pack. And so this is pretty neat. These are Spork spoon, and you have a nice little cutting edge here. It is plastic, so you're not gonna cut steak or anything like that, but it is pretty sufficient. You have this bungee that connects the two here, and you can go ahead and disconnect that. And as you can see, you have 2 of them. Nomadik says these 3-in-1 sporks are built for functionality and well thought out design with micro serrations to cut, flat tipped spoon to easily scoop, and you also have your fork here to grab the food. Included is this little tether that can be used to clip it to a bag, or you can use it to hang it your sporks and cinch multiple utensils together for easy transport. It also has a stackable design and allows it to function all together. These are dishwasher and microwave safe. UNCO stands for utility, comfort, and originality, and you can see that with these sporks here. It's a tougher kind of spork. It's also well built. It's made of ultra durable FDA food safe and also BPA free glass filled nylon. They're 7 inches in length and they weigh ½ an ounce. So pretty cool. The Spork also has a lifetime warranty, so they really stand behind their products. All right, the next product that we have is the Yuko Gear Sweet Fire Fire Starter. This is biofuel tablets to really help you start your fire as well. And so we're gonna go ahead and check that out here. Nomadik says that these biofuel tabs are made from sugarcane waste, a renewable biofuel that keeps you and the earth happy. Each tablet will burn for 6 minutes and is easy to ignite with a match, lighter, or fire steel. And as you can see, you have different stacks of these. And it's always good to have a fire starter when you're camping because you never know if you're gonna just get wet wood or things like that. So you have to kind of sometimes even start things with a fire starter here. So it's always good to have some of these handy. Alongside that, we also get the UNCO Stormproof matches. And these are pretty neat. They are waterproof as well as windproof. So Nomadik says that good things come in small packages, like these compact matches light and relight in any weather, even after being submerged in water. Whether you're summiting, camping, or at the lake or on the trail, these matches are a great addition to your survival kit. So these are definitely super handy to have, especially if you want an emergency kit and something that can light a fire whenever you need it. And these are good backup things to have always in your kit. They come sealed in this bag. There's 10 compact matches in here. As I said, windproof and waterproof. And the length of each match is 2.125 inches. And the burn time for these is actually up to 12 seconds. All right, so the next thing we have is this Yum Butter Superfood almond butter. Nomadik says that this creamy almond butter is packed with superfoods and super tasty. Gives you a boost to adventure well. This resealable go anywhere pouch does not need to be refrigerated and contains 6 grams of plant-based protein in each serving. It's made of chai seeds, hemp seeds, and goji, as well as almonds. So it's very healthy as well, but it does have high calories as well. So it's meant to fuel you while you're burning calories out on the go, while you're hiking or backpacking or things like that. And the cool thing about it is you can just seal it, reseal it, and you don't have to worry about refrigeration. So pretty neat at that. Nomadik also includes this nice sticker here. So a nice little touch on here, and you have these stickers which are cool and can put it wherever you want. I like to put them on my bear boxes. All right, so what did you think of the Nomadik quarterly subscription fall 22 box? Is this something you want to try out? What did you think of the gear that was included? Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you like what you saw, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more gear review content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.